Jolens, thank you. Hi, Myra. How are you, Laps girl? Thank you, Kyla. Thank you, Ria. Hi, Jinx. TG. Ano yung TG? TG? Hi, Jessica. Telegram. Hindi pa ako nagte-telegram. Hi, question marks. Dami, 3. Ako naman yung Laps girl. Maaga ako nagising kanina kasi ipunta kaming diagnostic clinic para kay mama. Naghihintay pa kami mag-lunch. Executive check-up si mama. Okay naman, Jose. Thank you, Fro. Hi, Wendy. Busy lang guys sa work. Kuya, Luke Vineyards ba yan? Hindi po. Hindi po ako pwede mag-Vineyards eh. Kahit gusto ko, hindi ako pwede mag-Vineyards. Biceps review. Wala pa akong biceps. Anyong. Sam, wala. May issue lang yung mga tao. Hi, Gwen. Hi, Monica. Ano po yung work nyo? Bakit? Pipiratahin mo ba ako sa ano ko? Sa work ko? Siyempre, Emojin. Gusto ng lahat, ano sila? Updated. Kaya ganun. 1-1, low carbs lang. Pero minsan nagka-carb loading ako, depende sa araw. We're okay, Isabella. Kaya kinakain mo carbs. Talaga? Carbs ba yung puto? Hi, Site. Hi, Celine. Roslyn, hi. It's Mary, hi. Mommy Teen, hello sa'yo. Nag-lunch na ba kayo? Wen, hello. Mommy, Rose, hello. Zoe, hi. Anong ulam nyo, guys? Hi, Kristia. Puto. Miss Pinet, hi. Puto po yun, puto. Hi, Miss Aris. Thank you po sa mga nagtatap, guys. Tahong sinabawan. Wow, masarap. Parang tinola yun, di ba? Puto carbs po yan with sugar. Talaga, Jeanette? Hindi ko alam. Kasi hindi ko alam. Tobs din, okay naman. Hi, Shane. Sarap niyan, tahong na may sabaw. Especially may kasamang dahon ng sili. The best yan. Thank you, Miss Peanut. Fresh mo ngayon. Thank you, Tubsten. Ganun talaga pag pag happy ka. Tokwat baboy. Ang sarap naman ng tokwat. Delimundo corned beef. Ano mas masarap sa inyo, guys? Delimundo o Pure Foods? Hi, baby Jenny. Thank you, Tubsten. Natural po ba? Hindi, sticker lang yan. Delimundo Pure Foods. Delimundo Forever. Ba't ka nasa hospital, Sheng? Masarap din Highlands. Subjective talaga ang taste, no? Miss Peanut, nga eh. Basta masarap yung crush ko. Ay! Ibang klase tayo, Subjective talaga. Kasi agree naman ako na Christian, mag-review ka. Kukurutin kita sa singit, mag-review ka. Anong tawag dito? Subjective talaga kasi ako parehas naman ako nasasarapan sa Delimundo at saka sa Pure Foods. Pero mas favorite ko lang yung Pure Foods talaga. Lalo na pag may patatas. Sa Middle East, Celine. Mahal nga lang. Ari ko, mabuhok ka. Balbon. Balbon, hindi masyado. Medyo lang. Like, hindi naman super balbon. May buhok lang talaga. Sakto lang. 3 PM pa naman na exam, kuya. Anong 3 PM pa naman? Alauna na, oy. Mag-aral ka. Hi, princess. Ama. Kaya ang puto. Balik saan? Hi, Freya. Thank you guys yung mga nagtatapot nagla-like. Gwen, thank you sa appreciate. Ruby, what's up? Beb Jen. Thank you, Jay. Dalawa lang po. Have you tried the Dubai chocolate? Hindi pa. Masarap nga daw yan. Sabi nila. Happy birthday, Tubsten. God bless you. Ay. Hi, Zaylin. Stool. Hi, Casey. 2 PM magre-review. Siguro yung makakapag-review ka, Hindi pwede. Anong kailangan mo? Mama Freakings, busy siya. Kailangan ka ba? Ba't mo hinahanap? Okay naman, Jeffrey. Hi, Kenneth. Yes, Kim, ako yun. Good night, Puji. Hi, Marnie. Ingat kayo sa mga work nyo, Kamusta Cebu experience, kuya? Okay naman, masaya naman. Masaya naman. Malapit na sinulog. Yung street party. Hi, Gwen. Puto po, puto. Hi, GM. Hi, Burger. Hi, Carmela. Thank you, Gwen. Hi, Harry. Mary Dayan, hi. Hi, Aidin. Hi, Yeyeng. Hi. Thank you, Gwen. Hi, Miss K. Mary Dan. Mary Dan ba yun? Talaga, mga Trikings. Sabangan mo, baka mag-live selling mamaya. Fan ka po ng S-Roofman. Yes po. Maulang tanghali from Davao. Ingat kayo dyan, Ann. Hello, Cubs. Thanks, Hiraya. Thank you, Hazel. It's the things that you say, so powerful. You know I can't resist. Girl, it's such a shame. But you belong to another. I don't wanna hurt nobody, but my heart just can't hold back. It's the way you make me feel, the way that you make me feel, spinning my world around. Tell me, how can I walk away? I don't care what they say, I'm loving you anyway. It's the way you make me feel. Napalitan mo na earrings mo, kuya. Yes, Fuji. Yung totoong ikaw na talaga. I'm gonna make you mine. It's not impossible. Got to let you know I'm irresistible. Baby, can't you see? You're the one for me. But you belong to another. Okay naman, Jen? Squid Game? Hindi pa. Hindi pa. Hold back. Gusto kong panoorin yung When the Phone Rings eh. Rom-com ba yun? Rom-com ba yung When the Phone Rings? Favorite ko kasi si Subin. Si Che Subin. Jocelyn Diaz, hi. I'm loving you anyway. It's the way you make me feel. Hi, Gwen from Mindanao. Hi, Mince. When I look... Yes, Celine, siya yun. Every time you smile at me, I go weak inside. Baby, I just can't hide my love. Kimpo yung taba mo ngayon. Hi, Rita. Bumili to sa butika kahapon. Saan butika? Anjulu. I'm Janina from SG. Siya ba yung nasa row? Yeah, siya yung nasa I'm Not a Robot. Sa TGP. Ha! Ay! Uy, wag malikot! Panggigil tong dalawang... Ang tawag dito. TGP. Bumili ako ng maintenance ni Mama. Thanks, Celine. That's the way... Bakit? Ariko. Super favorite ko ang Steps. Steps? Ay, singer. Yung dalawang talaga to. Bakit lagi nyo kinakagat labi nyo? Pakialam mo, DND. Bagong account mo yan, DND. Anjo, what's up? Hi, Rexy. Hi, Nix. Hi, Nika. May niluluto pa yung ulam. Ay, Hali. Actually, niluluto pa yung kanin. Galing kasi kaming diagnostic clinic kanina. So, late kaming nagluluto ng pagkain na. Nika soon. Abangan mo. Hi, Lerma. Isa pa palang puto. Dahil ko nakain na puto. Taas na energy. Dahil sa puto ata to. Dahil sa puto. Puto with makapuno. Hi, Raketerang Waray. Okay naman, Julala. Christian, sige, mag-aral ka na. Honesto, hi, Johnny. Hi, it's me. Hi, Ali from Negros Occidental. Mayong udto sa inyong atanan diha. Saan niyo po nabili po ito with makapuno? Saan no? Dito sa Batangas to. Hi, Miss Dang. Mama Marivic, she's okay, sis. Hi, Yuri. Nefertiri, hi. Thank you, Nico. Hello, Ann. Ano pong name po na pinagbilan nyo ng puto? Tagasan ka ba? Tagasan ka? Nagtatanong ko sa puto. Anak natin. Hi, Ems. Happy New Year, Lord. Ilio, wala. How? Hi, Nyla. Baka po may online store sila. Wala eh. Physical shop lang. Consuelo. Anyong. J&A, hi. Don't surrender in this big love. Tawa na lang kayo guys na magtanong. Mapagod din kayo. Mamiya, absent ngayon. Don't give up on your pain. Mom and baby Reco. Diba? Mismo? It is. Hi, princess. When you question me, answer. I don't know what to say. No. Asher, hi. Trina Cat, we're okay. We're okay. Na find a way. Aking. Mingkay. In this thing called love, when you want it the most, there's no easy way out. When you're ready to go, left in doubt, don't give up. Low-key nakamiss mag-go sa Showtime Online. Yes, May, I agree. And that's the way it is. Pahinga ka na, Puji ko. Gabriela, I was smiling the entire time. When life is empty, with no tomorrow, loneliness starts to grow. Baby, don't worry, forget your sorrow, 'cause love's gonna conquer it all. Hi, Mabilicious. Puja pa din, kuya. Sige, Puja. Thank you, Win. When you're ready to go, then your heart's left in doubt. Don't give up on your faith. Love comes to those who believe. Kuya Luke, saan po si Ramyun? Ito, mag-hi ka nga dito. Mag-hi ka nga. Amoy mo yung puto. Amoy puto. Amoy mo yung puto, no? Amoy mo yung puto. Sorry. Thank you, May. Don't give up on your faith. Love comes to those who believe it. Ano yung nabangan mo na song sa 17RH? May, wala. Wala sa setlist nila yung ano, yung kantahin na gusto kong marinig. Ang daming walang kanta. Walang left and right. Walang, ano pa yung, walang, rock with me. Rock with me. So, nag-i-invento ng ano, nag-i-invento ng title. Thank you guys sa mga nagtatap. Rock with you. Rock with me. Welcome Nefertari. Tapos wala rin silang world. Yes, wala rin nga yung world eh. Wala. Sino close mo? Lahat po sila, Trendy's shop. Thank you guys sa mga nagtatap at nag-like. Bye! Kanta to. Adjunize mo na lang po with it. Yes, may adjunize talaga. If ever world without June heartbreak. If ever world without June heartbreak yun, kuya. Bakit? Bakit? Heartbreak. Bias mo ba si June? Pigun Jason, Sawadikap. 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 It's enough. Ngayong adlaw, Richie, found me, I'll let you know. Nasa office, Danes. Oo, kasi most yung shot ng ano, gumaganon si June eh. Dino bias ka din pala. Hi Daisy. Hi Jack. Sagittarius. Hi Lucas. Killer Eyes, hi. Demaris, hi. Shalame, hi. Bias ko, Chol DK Dino. Miss Amber, hi. We? Yes. Hi Jay. Hello KJ. Excited na talaga ka. Thank you Adriana. I look saw you before. Di ka nag-greet back sa amin. Di ako nag-greet back. Bakit? Nag-hi ka ba sa akin personally? Did you see me looking at you and then I didn't say hi? See you 18-19. Nakamo 2 araw ka? Half Moon, yes. This is just a sticker so I can give it to you. Yes, naka-jacket ka naman. Sure ka ba? Kasi kung may nag-hi sa akin, Rob, binabati ko, nililingon ko. Kung totoong tinawag mo yung pangalan ko at nag-hi ka sa akin. Hindi naman kasi ako snob pag tinawag yung pangalan ko. Hi Mary from City Mart Kaido. Nakita kita sa SM North. Kailan? Matagal na yun. Saan mo ba ako nakita, Rob? Sa mall ba yan? Sa event ba yan? Saan? Thank you, May. Melona, hi. Sewing machine. From Singapore, hi. Hi, Borge. Hi, Dominic. Labas ng ABS po. Matagal na yun, Rob. Apakatangkad. Hi, Gab. Baka di kita narinig. Kamukha mo, boyfriend ko. Di ba lugi yung boyfriend mo? Hi, Odette. Oh, baby, baby. How was I supposed to know? Aryang si hi. I shouldn't have let you go. And now you're right outside, yeah. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now what we got. And I still believe. Not your freckles. Not your freckles. Talaga. Di ka ba lugi? Ay, di ba siya lugi? Girl, you got me blinded. Oh, pretty baby, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. It's not the way I plan it. Show me how you want it to. Wala nang puto dyan. Puto lang yung hanap mo. To know now what we got. My loneliness is killing me. I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Gemini, thank you. Hi, Queen Ella. Wala nang laman yan. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. How was I supposed to know? Sparky, pangalan ng poodle ko. Oh, pretty baby, I shouldn't have let you go. Hi, Rana. The loneliness. I still believe. Hi, Curlin. My loneliness is killing me. I must confess, I still believe. Ano lunch mo po? Baka hot dogs and scrambled eggs. My loneliness is killing me now. That you will be here. Pwede ba? Ano, Dulcet? Hit me, baby, one more time. Niligo kayong dalawa mamaya. Usapan natin, niligo kayong dalawa, di ba? When you feel alone, screw world. May uuwi dyan sa Benzo. Ngayon na? Voices. May kailangan ka, Mami Rose? Jesus blind. Love kisses. Baka may biglang tumawag sa akin habang naka-live. Live unboxing pala to. Yes, pag dumating siguro. Palit lang. Sabi niya, wait lang, check ko. PM mo. Sarap yung kape nito eh. Baka leave us blind. Love keeps us high. When life leaves us blind. Ayaw kinakanta lang. Sabid ako sa'yo. Minsan po ba pumupunta ka ng BGC? Yes, pag minimit ko sila Jinho. Or kakain ako sa restaurant. Yan. Especially sa BBQ. Teacher Jam, wala. Ano ba na? May pabasa tayong PM. Love keeps us. Lazada pala galing. Mamayang gabi pa yung charm. Tamad yung mga taga Lazada mag-deliver dito sa amin. Ariko. Naging pag ako gabi. Gabi nila ako dinadalan lagi. Hindi mo ba alam na yun yung kulay? Hindi mo ba alam na yun yung kulay? Katawa ako, sinabi mo. Ano ba sabi ni Self? And everything's broken, your beauty remains. And I realize life isn't you. Hallelujah, hallelujah. My fave. Sabi ni Self, palit daw kayo. Kala ko ba sa'yo? Bakit naging si Self? Kay Self ba yan? Sa'yo yan eh. Thank you, Gwen. Love, John Marie. Hello, Marian. Ano fave food niyo po? Ako? Madami eh. Mais, pizza, french fries, Pinoy style spaghetti, sinigang, lechong kawali na may mang tumas, fried chicken. Ganyan ba kayo mga artista? Nangisnab. Hanap ka kapulong mo? Ano pa ba? Yun lang. Madami pa. Banana. Watermelon. May sagot. Ang dami sagot. Ano yan? Ann. Hello, Ann. Kaya pala fried chicken, alam mo las. Kaya pala fried chicken, ulam mo last time. Yes. Comfort food ko yung fried chicken. Thank you, Jo Marie. Alam mo yung pag pupunta ako sa ibang lugar na hindi ako familiar, yun yung una ko in-order para sure. How about seafoods? Yes, okay ako sa sa takong, sa hipon. Gusto ko rin ng alimasag kaso tamad lang akong magbukas. Alexa, hi. Asan po love of your life? Nasa puso ko po. Yung beige daw na nasa akin, yun sa'yo. Then sa akin daw yung purple, sabi niya sa. Arch, dati allergic ako sa hipon. Ngayon hindi na. Cookie, yes. Celebrity crush mo po, si Nadine Lustre. Locally, Nadine Lustre. Moonstar ako, 69 na ako Moonstar eh. Baba na, Sparky Koy. Takbo na ikaw dun. You can do it. Come on. Come on, tatay. Baba na. You say. Go, Sparky Koy. Run, tagdag. Go, 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 Sparky. Dali, talon na. Sparky Koy. Hindi makatalon. Cookie, depende. Lalo na sa situation ko kasi wala ako sa Wala ako sa Manila. You look different po. At talaga, Rebecca, kailan mo ko uling nakita, Rebecca? Para sabi mo na I look different. Thank you, Eve. Hi, Jonaline. Ay, ginugulo nyo yung live ko. Aray ko. Uy! Baba na. Ay, teka lang, ginugulo ng mga aso. You're from Cavite, Balog. No, from Batangas City. Naka-eyeliner ka po. Hindi po, natural po yan. Oh. Mga ba may eyeliner? Kung meron, sasabihin ko sa'yo. Pero wala. And yung cat dalawa, Posta. Hi, thank you, Posta. Nile Resh, hello. Hi, Negi. Thank you, Miss Eve. Batanggenyo ka, bakit walang accent? Di kayo sumasagot. Kamusta kayo ni Miss Hera? We are okay, Lola. Bingi ka ba? Bingi ka? O selective hearing meron ka? Hindi ako sumasagot. Hi, Savi. Watching from Taiwan po. Mavic, hello. Stay. Oo, selected hearing sila. Na naman. Aki. Nasabi ko na. Talaga, Chona. Kuya, nag-lunch ka na. Hindi pa. Paluto pa lang yung kanin namin. Tapos, sige, sabi mo eh. Hindi, wag. Tapos, pagluluto pa akong ulam ko maya-mayang konti. Madami akong gagawin today. Like, ito sa bahay kasi wala pa kaming helper. Angelina, hi. Si Dong yan, watching from New York. Hi, sa inyo dyan sa New York. Hi, BJ. Hello, Lai. I wouldn't be nothing without you. Where would I be? New York ko ba? Every moment used to feel like you were in the coldest, darkest night. But everything's changing. Everything Isfi, ang lala ng anto ko. Natulog ka ba na maayos, Charm? Watching from Katarman. Hi, Trixie. Sama ng summit ko kay Ram yun. Lovely, ano yun? Love yourself. Whenever available ako makipag-meet. Room tour po, please. Wala po ako sa room eh. Nasa ano po ako? Nasa sala. Sino si Gemini? Sino si Gemini, Charm? Hindi ka pa natutulog. Iris Nicola, we are okay. $30 minutes ako nag-nap dito sa office. Ayan, mga hindi natutulog. Si Mayat. Ah, ibang account. Always beside me. Hello, Mama Belle. Now I know right from the start your love was. May kailangan ka, King? Do you need anything from her? She's okay, Kit Kit. She's very much okay, Kit Kit. Hi, Merms. Thank you, Luna. How 1 hour na ba tayo? 43 minutes. My heart. Tell me if you feel it too. I'm in delusion every minute, every hour. I feel heaven when I look in your eyes. Thank you, Ate Nenen. Thank you, Jelly. Thank you, Jelly. Thank you, Germs. Happy 6 monthsary Team Anemic. Talaga, Kit-Kit? Seryoso ba yan? Come on, girl, let's get down. Ha, ha, ha. I feel in heaven when I look in your eyes. I know that you are the one for me. You drive me crazy cause you're one of a kind. I want your loving and I want it right now. Toothpick. Braces. Thank you, Richard. Hey! Well! Hey! Hi, Natalie. Okay naman, Natalie. Wala pa kit-kit eh. When I look in your eyes, I know that you are the one for me. Hi, Ian. Cause you're one of a kind. Wow, 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 wow. Lalaking pinsan ko sa kantang to. Wala po kayo ganap today. Madami, gawaing bahay. Kuya Luke, naalala mo pa ba show mo dito sa Gensan? Yes, maraming beses po akong pumunta ng Gensan at pupunta ulit ako sa March. Favorite ako ng mga taga Gensan, pero ibang ano naman, ibang lugar naman. Hi, Weng. May kailangan ka, May? March. Yes, sa March. Ikaw, Marilu, may kailangan ka sa kanya? I want you and your beautiful soul. Pumunta si Marilu para makipag-chismisan. That you... Okay, hello, kamusta kayo ni? We are okay, guys. We are okay. Always wait. Hanap kayo ng hanap sa walat sini. Kala kasi nila ata dito yung live eh. Then I hope you see the heart in me. Ako, may kailangan ako kilawin. I don't want just anyone. Hindi, ikaw na. Ikaw na, Charm. I want you and you're beautiful. So you're the one I wanna chase. You're the one I wanna hold. May kailangan ka din, Christina Carla. I want you and your beautiful soul. Your beautiful soul. Hello, Eli. Eli? You might need time to think it over, but I'm just fine. Moving forward, and you're mine. We are okay, Christina Carla. Christina Carla, we are okay. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul. You're the one I wanna chase. You're the one I wanna hold. I don't want another minute go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul. Casio, hi. Hello, Ange. Forwarding you. Marie Claire, hi. There is nothing left to hide. Me face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul. You're the one I wanna chase. You're the one I wanna hold. I don't want another minute go to waste. I want you in your soul. I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want another minute go to waste. I want you in your beautiful soul. Oh, your beautiful soul. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When ka po magkikita ng timber ng gulang? Hindi ka ba updated? Hana Toston? Nag-shoot lang namin last week para sa brand ni Rix. Kung hindi mo pa nakita yung mga edits. Kapal ng kilay niyo. Yes, yung kapal ng mukha nila. Sing kapal ng mukha nila. Hi, Summer. Thank you, Penzel Washington. Just about anything I could go through when it comes to relationships. When I was missing, what I'm missing. Ba't kayo naka-live? Ha, wala. Kumatami. Kasi I have a spare time to live. Yes, Eve. Because I hated the heartbreak, crying and cheating, fooling around. Missing you, I'm not going through the motions, waiting, I'm hoping you call me, I'm not missing you. You might have me open, but I must be going because I got life to do. I know I'm usually hanging out, I used to hate to see you go. It's different, I don't even feel the distance. I'm not missing you. It's a shame in a way, cause I feel that I made now. Ever find the right one for me? Didn't leave and she in front of my face zone. Where my true love ever be? Why would I go, wanna search again? When I know what the end will be. What is love when it keeps on hurting me? I made a promise never to settle what I'm not keeping. Cause I hated the heartbreak, crying and cheating, fooling around. But I'm not missing you. I'm not going through the motions, waiting and hoping you call me. I'm not missing you. You might have had me open, but I must be going because I got life to do. I know I'm usually hanging out. I used to hate to see you go. I don't even feel the distance. I'm not missing you. Waiting and hoping you call me. I'm not missing you. But I must be going because I got life to do. I know I'm usually hanging out. I used to hate to see you go. It's different, I don't even feel the distance. I'm not missing you. No, I can't be with you cause I'm scared. Felt like I was falling when you left me. I can't keep going through a life when I'm missing the person I could be. Love is good when it's right. Love left in your memory all the times I let you down. I guess love would be nice for someone else's life. I'm not missing you. Waiting and hoping you call me. I'm not missing you. Hi, just call me. Teka lang. May Singles Inferno Season 4 na? Don't feel the distance. I'm not missing you. Yeah. Thought you never gone. Wow. Thank you, Jericho. It's the best day of my life. IGG. I12, love. Don't feel I'm not missing you. Yeah. I'm not missing you. Hi, Lynn. I'm not missing you. Mas mahal ko siya. That's nice. When I think about a problem. Rose, are you blind or are you dumb or are you deaf? Huwag kang ma-issue. Ay naman, Michiro. Poleng, anyong. I see somebody in my head. Hi, Trisha. What was? Kala ko yung delivery na eh. And by some rise and fall. Hana, 4 lang ang pwede per live. Hi, Divina. Thank you, Trisha. Ano sa kabila, Pauling? Bawal ba banggitin ng bigo dito? Kami mga sa kabila ka pa. P, ano yun? Thank you. You're welcome, SMMARN. Bigo, sabi mo nilang Bigo Pauling. May pabibi ka pa eh. Nats, hindi pa ako sure. Alam mo naman TikTok. Walang ganun Pauling. Kala nyo lang yun, walang ganun. Justin, hi! Till we see the sun again. And we're just another piece of the puzzle. Just another... Saktong uwi ko galing school nakalive ka. Talaga, Riza. Hello! Amba! Luto na po yung kanin? Luto na pala. Okay kami, Michiro. Angel, hi. Bambi, thank you. Teshi, hi. Yes, SMMARN. Tingnan mo, Charm. Nandiyan pa ba si Charm? Di-deliver yan gabi pa. Kahit replyan nila yan, kahit replyan nyo yan, guys. Gusto nila sa akin manggaling yung sagot. Oh, no. Did I get too close? Oh, did I almost see what's really on the inside? Joy mo, ganun talaga. Insecurities. One time. Vofa. Yofa Valia. Kiana, zebra. May kailangan ka ba sa kanya? Kaya mo hinahanap. Ay, Yana. Ganyan talaga mo, Hello, Yana. Sino si Kuya Lick? Ako si Kuya Lick. Si Kuya Lick. do it all because I love you. Hi, Rika May. I love you. Hi, Cherish. Unconditionally. Hi, Rian. Isip ko, magla-lunch ba ako habang nagla-live or magla-lunch ako habang nanonood ng Netflix? Familiar po ba kayo sa summer? Ay, hindi. Kasi Pinoy ako. Hindi ko alam yung summer. Lunch, Netflix. Di ba, Charm? Sige. Miss ka na ng Netflix. Hi, V. Oo nga eh. Feeling ko, ramdam ko nga eh. Yes, Anga 16. Pwede naman. Nagawa mo na nga eh. Shariz. Ay. Shariz. Nars. Okay naman ako, Nars. I'm okay. Play tayo ng bye-bye song natin. Nagluluto na rin kasi ako ng ulam. Ayoko na kayong bitbitin sa kusina. Bye-bye song natin ito. Lungkot ng bye-bye song. Yes, Hannah. Para may iba naman. Seems like it was yesterday when I saw your face. It showed me how proud you were, but I walked away. If only I knew what it meant today. Hi, Lynn. I would hold you in my arms. I would take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done. Forget your own mistakes. There's nothing I wouldn't do to hear your voice again. I hold you, but I know you will be there. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you. Pati ba yung bye-bye song ko? Parang di maganda pang bye-bye song. Beautiful. Coffee person ka po, morning person? Yes, but not coffee person. Morning person, that's the real me. That's the real me. Morning person. Pero nagko-coffee ako, pero hindi coffee person. So many lies that have followed you all of your life. We're looking for the truth. We're looking for your eyes. And I see it's been there the whole time. Pag ganyan, Charm, aabangan natin. Abangan na lang natin yung sa live perf nila. When you barely believe, when your eyes couldn't see it, losing a moment, you've always been perfectly loved. Ooh, perfectly loved. Perfectly in the hands of the infinite. The world became his. Malungkot din. Ang dami kong bye-bye song na napipili. Lahat tayo medyo update. Ito na lang. Ay, wag yan. Don't know where to start. Hi, Nix. Ito, bye-bye song na talaga to. 1 hour na tayo eh. So many questions deep inside my heart. You know that. Give me a moment before you go. There's something you ought to know. Baby, now and forever. Until the time is through, I'll be standing here, waiting and never give up my faith in you. Try to make it clear, without your love I'll be half a man. Yes, Miss Eve. You will understand. Kevin. Love, Kevin. Until the time is through. Guesting ko sa Showtime. Kailan? So that you can see. Hi. I am Merlin. Life has no meaning when you aren't here with me. Give me a moment before you go. There's something you ought to know. Baby, now and forever, until the time is through, I'll be standing here, waiting and never give up my faith in you. Try to make it clear, without your love I'll be half a man. Maybe one day you will understand. Now and forever, until the time is through, there is no one to comfort me here in my cold reality. I'm searching for words. What can I say to make you see? Seems I'll be here. Thank you guys sa time nyo. Sa lahat na nag-top at nag-like. Try ko mag-live mamayang gabi. I'll be half a man. Maybe one day you will understand. Until for you, until the time is through. Thank you, Miss Eve. Thank you, guys. Thank you sa time nyo. Salamat po. I'll see you guys when I see you. Keep safe. Annyeong. Tamibayo. God bless you guys. Annyeong.